First thing early Monday morning, I'm gonna pack my things away. Now, we got no cause to look back, 'cause we'll be looking for a better day. We're looking for a better day and nothing but a better day. This is the thing about love. I said it's not enough, and it's the only thing gonna bring you pain, darling. From the time when we should all make a change. Sit with me now. But let's go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it go. I said so. What I ain't trying to say? Hold on there.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm about, you know.
See that tight pants, brother? Yeah?
Hold on.
Hey.
Let me say me the oldest one in the group.
No.
Some of you know about the ladies them. What are we ready? You look inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I get the memories one by one since you took me in, and I know I'll never look this way. Come on, sing it. I love this, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on. Oh. Well, it's no sense pretending my heart is not. Just when I'm gone. Ah, shit, well. Wow. Wow. Yeah. And I just can't go on without you.
This is not with Jamaica. I'm ready, it's going to my head. Oh, yes. And that is the reason why my eyes are turning. It's going to my head and feel bad. Every time I get a slip, I'll perish over like this. So it seems that I need. So if you're with me, let me hear you scream for me. 'Cause loss is here, and we're going nowhere. We're gonna be here with you, broken heart and melodies. Oh. When your legs don't work like they used to before, when I can't sweep you off with you, when your mouth still remember the taste of love, when your eyes still smile. Can I hear you? No, Johnny. When be loving, tears 17.
I know what part to be around, but you never leave.
Ladies and gentlemen, your time. How that easy to understand. Your time. And you said you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You said you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am. Just as I am.
This is Anthony B, and I want to invite all my families, my fans and friends. February 25th, 2023, Club Amazura, Queens, New York. It's a concert, Black and Proud.